definitely. It says why not? It's calling to me.
Hey guys, what's going on? Wait a second. We're missing something.
Where are they?
And there we go. So because we're using the corgi sign and we're required to have our corgis in our vlogs at least 50% of the time. That was the agreement that we made with them. Today we are gonna go to eat at, I don't even know what the name of the restaurant is, but we'll put the image down here below.
The restaurant's name is Belga off of Union Street. We made a reservation on Seated. Seated is an app where it pays you to make reservations on your phone. You get $10 to $20 depending on the party. So we made a reservation via the app a few days ago.
You can't come to the restaurant. You're not allowed to come in the restaurant. You're not a support dog. No, you're not. You think he's an emotional support dog. You're not an emotional support dog or a service dog. You can't come. Okay? Okay? Steve always wants to come and tag around everywhere. Sure, I think he doesn't really care. No, stop arguing with me. Steve, stop arguing with me. Okay, bye. If you guys are wondering why I'm wearing this, it's because it's really cold in San Francisco right now. Like, I mean, really cold.
So we're actually pretty late.
Whose fault is that? It's your fault.
Oh. We're supposed to be there at 1:15 and it looks like we might get there at 1:45.
Yeah, you're too busy, took forever to take a shower.
Oh, yeah, just says we're picking up someone else now.
And we're here, albeit very late. Oh, Belga, right here.
So the Seated app is really easy to use. You just download the app, search for restaurants in your area, make a reservation. It's in every major city in the United States. And the secret is, which I'll tell you in a little bit, it's stackable with other offers that you can find. So,
wait, what about the minor cities? What do they do?
definitely. It says why not? It's calling to me.
Mr. Shooters?
Thank you.
Thank you. Yummy. Oh, look at that.
Is this Old Bay? Oh, it's Old Bay.
Ooh. Supposedly Old Bay is like a Maryland thing, which we had no idea. We couldn't find Old Bay in California. Yay! Sticker shots. Are you liking the Old Bay? Are you liking all of it? Oh my god. It went like straight down my throat.
You're not supposed to lick all of it.
I was trying to. Wow.
We have to hit the minimum spend of $40 here. So we ordered frites, avocado toast, and the pork schnitzel, which is supposedly their best dish.
I don't think that was Old Bay. I think that was cayenne. You lied.
It looked like Old Bay.
Yeah, but it was like red as shit. I like choked on.
This is so much avocado.
Not?
Oily.
That's not a good description.
Avocado.
Ew, it's hot. So good. So many avocados on here. Mayonnaise, mustard. It's like tender, crispy, juiciness. I don't know what the sauce is. I guess it's mayonnaise / mustard. So nothing is complete without hot sauce. Oh yeah. Don't you know that thing goes? Oh, shit, it's hot.
Yeah, it's Tabasco.
No, fuck up my stomach.
So in all, we spent about $59 with tip, but we're getting $20 back with Seated and about another $5 back with Uber. So it's like 48–50% give or take, not really. But we did ride an Uber here, so that's going to be about $12 off. So Seated is an app that gives you cash back for Amazon, Starbucks, or Uber.
Ooh.
So the trick is you reserve on Seated, then you look for restaurants on the Uber cashback, So you can combine both. So the Visa Uber card program, which gives you 5 to 10% on restaurants, and so you can actually have both on the same card, go to the same restaurant with the same reservation, use that same Uber card, so you get $20 to $30 off seated and 5 to 10% off of Uber. So thanks for watching, everyone. Like and subscribe if you liked this video, if you thought it was very helpful. Like and subscribe, hit that like button. If you're interested in the seat, if you have any questions, leave a question below. If you have questions on how to add your Visa card to Uber, put a question below. We'll definitely answer you. So we're gonna put our promo code Dennis26 that gives you $10 and of course me $10 as well. As you know, it's expensive here in San Francisco, so hopefully we're helping you and you can help us back. Thanks for watching.